Want to remove background noise, talking, or music from your video in CapCut? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the CapCut app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the same on all devices. Tap New Project and select the video you want to edit. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on the clip so it's highlighted in white. Now, the first method to remove sound is by simply muting the clip. Tap Volume at the bottom, then drag the slider all the way down to 0. This keeps the audio track but makes it silent. If you'd rather remove the audio completely, here's the second method. Tap the video again to highlight it, then scroll along the bottom toolbar and select Extract Audio. You'll now see the audio appear as a separate track beneath your video. Tap the audio track to highlight it, then tap Delete. That's it. Your video is now completely silent. When you preview or export it, there will be no sound at all. And that's how you remove sound from a video in CapCut. If this helped, tap like, comment if you've tried it, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials.